Bolus.
You
see the lick his lips, nigga, like he tasted it.
Is that pork that got like all the vegetables and shit in it? It got like olives and... Oh man, your pork lover, you probably like it.
Hold up, you never ate the pork with the vegetables, pork fried rice?
And when you slice it, it got like all the bones in it.
What the fuck is a fur burger? You know what a fur burger is? You eat fur burger? What's that? You eat fur burger, Sean?
Stupid on this, nigga.
Yo, this nigga said I probably do eat them shits, son.
Wait, I just pulled up. You don't eat pussy, nigga. You don't eat pussy.
The nigga said, yo, son. Yo, son.
Take down this piggy, nigga.
The nigga said.
What you put on your pizza and shit? What kind of toppings and shit?
Pepperoni, nigga.
I can't fuck with pepperoni, son.
Pork sausage, all that.
Hold on, you gotta get both of these niggas.
Hold up, son. I know, hold up. Pork confession. Hold up, you get pork rind on your pizza?
Yeah, so you get the one straight off the commercial.
So they got something about my job called the works, right?
Meat
They got
level.
bacon, sausage, eggs,
Going in.
ham, and I eat all that shit.
Yo, son, put the camera
All
on
the
me real
heroes.
quick.
All the heroes.
Put the camera on me real quick, son. Yo, that's a porkapalooza.
Pork confessions.
Alright, so like, alright, bang. So like, when you go to like a restaurant, like, you know, with your shorty and shit. You know what I'm saying? What's your favorite thing that you like to order and shit? You know what I'm saying?
Depends what kind of restaurant it is.
Alright, like let's say for instance, like if you go to Applebee's, right?
The big burger with the like the Canadian bacon on it.
That's it.
Two scripts, yo.
Yo, this nigga, Jugga did the same shit. Jugga did the same shit.
Hams gave him a pound.
Yes, because I remember when Jugga ordered the same.
This who he's calling Hams.
Yo,
This is my man
Put the camera on Hams and then put the camera on us.
This is Hams. This is Hams.
This is Hams right here.
Listen.
Right?
Hams.
Shams with a Z.
Hams.
Shams with a Z.
Let me tell you another pork story.
My son right here was 120. Now look at him with the pork, my nigga. Yo, my niggas, man, trying to get that weight
Let me
meat.
tell you another pork
He used to be
story.
120.
He was 120. I mean, 2 months ago.
Sauce. Y'all eat sauce? Y'all eat sauce?
Let me tell you another pork story, man. Yo, let me tell you a pork story. Hold on, let me tell a pork story real quick. Let me tell a pork story real quick. Yo, hold on, son. I can't tell a pork story. Let me tell a pork story.
That's why that.
Yo, we had all drove in my V, right? And we went up top to Binghamton, you know, to go party and shit, right?
Yeah.
Pork confession.
Fuck it.
Yo, pork
I didn't eat it though.
That's what we talking
Basically, I ordered it, but I didn't eat it. That's all I'm gonna say. I'm gone. That's it.
Pork confession right
Pork
there.
confession. Alright, back to the story.
So we drive up top, you know, Jugga's rolling with us, you know what I mean? Sham, you know what I mean? We all in here, Spongy, you know what I mean? We all rolling and we knew the roads and shit, so we got up top a little bit before the rest of the niggas, you know what I'm saying? You know, we was mad deep. So you know niggas like, yo, let's go get something to eat before we go to the telly, son. We go to Applebee's, it's right there. Like, aight, bang, Applebee's. So you know, we up in Applebee's, you know what I'm saying? Niggas sit down, you know.
Niggas up in the Applebee's.
Everybody know what they ordering, you know what I mean?
Applebee's, you know
In the
what I'm saying?
Applebee's joint, you know what I mean?
So, you know, it's time to order and all that, you know what I'm saying? Everybody calling out what they want, you know, Swiss burger, you know, let me get the chicken tender thing over here, let me get that. Then, you know, they come around
Then
with
they
Jugga
came
and
down
shit.
to the Swan niggas, you know what I mean, on the
They
other
came
side of
with
the
Jugga
table.
turn. So, right? When it was Jugga turn, son, she like, yo, what you
She
want?
like, so what you want?
Jugga like, yo, let me get the cowboy burger, yo.
With the
and a strawberry lemonade, alright? Like, alright. So she writes it down and she dips, and then niggas is all chuckling at the table and shit.
he like,
Jugga
What did
don't
he
know
order?
to joke. Like, yo,
What did he order, son?
son?
He
Yo, I
ordered
ordered
a
a cowboy
fucking cowboy
burger, son.
burger, my nigga.
And
That
niggas
shit
had the
right.
menu still, right? So you know,
So I'm
we
still
all
looking,
ordered what we
'cause
ordered.
we
So we
want
look
drinks
back
and
through
all
the
that.
menu
You know what I mean?
to see what a cowboy burger
Like, what
is.
this nigga
and shit.
order?
So come to find out, my nigga, cowboy burger, you know, it got like lettuce, tomatoes, you know, hamburger, all that. But you know, to top it off, what was the main ingredient that made it cowboy, fam? The
What,
chipotle
son?
sauce
What?
and that smoked applewood bacon. And your man Jigga
Ate it.
was with the applewood beat. He ate it, son.
Yeah, right.
Yup.
And he packed the doggy bag.
Yeah.
And he packed
ate
the
it.
doggy bag. He took his leftovers back to the room and ate the rest of his bacon
That's it.
later that night, my
That's
nigga.
it.
He said it was banging too.
That's it.
Yo, man, everywhere I go, son, I eat bacon, man.